Hey friends, welcome to your channel Com Guide. I hope all of you are doing extremely well in your life. Are you preparing for competitive exams? All the information that you need to know is available right here. So without taking you much of a time, let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks which will help you in smoothing your preparation for the competitive exam. So the first is we need to plan, right? So when it comes to planning, it is a very broad thing. But what I mean here is we need to plan in such a way that the whole syllabus is broken down into topics, right? Whatever syllabus is there, we need to break it down into topics, right? And then we need to allot time for each topic. Whatever the difficult topic is, we need to allot more time. So this is our first strategy, right? The second strategy is the timing. The timing is pretty important, right? Whenever we set up for an exam, we need to complete our paper, within the allotted time, right? So when it comes to timing, you need to aware of two things. First is we need to have a adequate sleep cycle, right? Do not try to study in odd hours, because the problem is people will tell you like, I only sleep for 4 hours, I only sleep for 6 hours. But the thing is, whatever your sleep cycle is, whether you try to study in odd hours, would not help you much, right? Because when we try to study in odd hours, we will not be able to recall, we will be not be able to retain, whatever we have studied. So whatever your sleep cycle is, 8 hours or 10 hours, take adequate amount of sleep, right? When your sleep is done, then only try to study, because then only you will be able to retain things, you will be able to recall whatever you have studied, right? And the third strategy is going to be breaks, right? Whenever you are studying, do not try to finish up everything at one go, right? It's not needed. Whenever you are studying, you need to take adequate number of breaks, right? And I would suggest, after every 40 to 45 minutes of studies, you need to take break, so that your focus on studies is maintained, right? When you try to finish up things at one go, you actually lose your focus, and whatever you have studied, is not going to help you much. The fourth strategy in our preparation is going to be mock test. See, the mock test is going to help us in such a way that we are going to get acquainted with the pattern, right? Before setting up an exam, if you have given mock test, you already know what the exam pattern is going to be, and you can actually check your speed and accuracy, right? What amount of time you are taking to finish up things, right? So try to appear in as much as mock test as possible. And the last strategy is we need to hydrate ourselves, right? So eat healthy diet, and have adequate amount of water, right? So it's all for the day.